Okay, so I think I'm just recording on my phone. This is the camera mod in Animal Company. So my microphone's off on the recording, but I bet you can still hear me. So okay, I'm gonna show all y'all on Animal Company. There's like a pin. I'm gonna go on it. That was sick. So what I'm gonna do, right, is I'm gonna throw this camera like really far. Like this crap about to be sick. So what I'm gonna do is watch this. I'm gonna go. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Wait. Okay, it's right here. I wanna actually throw this thing. 3, 2, 1. Maybe fix that. I think I'm gonna fix the bug on this one. Alright. There you are. Okay. So this item is pretty cool. Yeah. So I guess I'm just gonna vlog in Animal Company from now on. I mean, this game's got like a literal camera mod, and this crap is sick. So now I can just put like this, kind of like the Gorilla Tag one, and then it just stands it up on stuff. So like, look, I'm gonna wait, guys, don't wait. It's pretty cool. Hold on, wait. My phone go. Turn on the recording off my phone. Jeez, no. Okay. So anyways, I think the camera mod is a pretty cool item in this game. And yes, I already tested it out. You can't put it in stash, but that will be pretty sick. It's kind of a rare item. Now we're gonna go troll in public lobbies with it. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna be doing a public lobby. I think it's right here. Okay, now we're gonna hit doing random.